Good morning mga pards. This is the Yamaha R7. Well, wala akong masabi sa motor na to kundi maba. Good morning mga pards. This is the Yamaha R7. Nothing special about the bike. Sabi nila, mabagal. Compared with the R6, the R7 talagang nag-downgrade. Bakit nga ba mas mababa ang horsepower ng R7 compared sa R6? Considering na ang R6 is 600cc, this is 700cc. Bakit? Pag-uusapan natin yan on another video. Sa ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin what's special about this bike. Again, walang special sa motorsiklo na to except that this is a special edition ng Yamaha. This is the Yamaha R7 World GP 60th Anniversary Edition. Galing sa roar ng engines and thrill sa racetrack ng Yamaha, ito ay naging simbolo ng bilis, precision, innovation sa loob ng 60 years. Way back 1964, Yamaha took the first step into the world of racing. Motorcycle racing, syempre. Quickly making a name for itself with a groundbreaking technology and syempre hindi mapapantay ang performance. Galing sa legendary YZR 500, and syempre, ang modern YZR or tinatawag nating M1, ang Yamaha ay malayo-layo na ang nilakbay. Mula sa Grand Prix na nag-pioneer ng spirit and relentless pursuit of excellence. This special edition commemorates the 60th anniversary ng pagsali ng Yamaha sa karera. To commemorate the milestone, Yamaha has put together an amazing array of events, special edition bikes, and nostalgic tributes. Let's take a closer look sa kanilang highlights. First up, we have the stunning special edition bikes that pays homage to Yamaha's rich racing heritage, na kung saan makikita mo ang mga unique designs and color schemes na nagre-reflect sa racing past ng Yamaha. These beauties aren't just for show. They're built with the same passion and precision that has powered Yamaha to many victories. Ang mga disenyong ito ay hindi lang unique, ito mismo ang ginamit ng disenyo noong nananalo sila. Yamaha's success into racing wouldn't have been possible without the incredible talents of the riders and teams. Mga riders such as Giacomo Agostini, Kenny Roberts, and syempre, Valentino Rossi, na kung saan naging mga legends sa kanilang mga panalo. Let's hear a bit more about these racing heroes. Si Giacomo Agostini kilala sa dominanting performance niya noong 1960s. Brought Yamaha in the first World GP Championship titles. Si Kenny Roberts naman, with the innovative riding style, revolutionary motorcycle racing noong naman dekada 70. And syempre, si Valentino Rossi, kung saan merong karisma and of course skill na nakuha ang puso ng maraming fans sa buong mundo. And syempre, naging champion noong 2000s. Yamaha's 60th anniversary celebration isn't just about looking back, it's also looking forward. Riding for Yamaha has always been an honor. Yamaha's engineering and innovation have set new benchmark in the world of motorcycle racing. Their dedication to the sport is evident in every race na pinapasukan nila. Nandyan ang SBK, na kung saan kinakarera nila ang motorsiklo na pwede nating maibili, ang M1. Ang M1 ang isa sa testamento ng Yamaha patungo sa commitment ng excellence and pursuit for perfection. Sa likod ng Yamaha race bike is isang grupo na dedicated na mga engineers, technicians na nagtatrabaho na walang kapagod-pagod para makuha ang peak performance. Pero hindi lang yan about sa makina. Nagmamatter din dito ang of course fans ng Yamaha. Fans ng Yamaha who feel the stands and spirits of competition that fuels every race. One time nakapag-attend ako ng isang MotoGP way back 2019. Ramdam na ramdam mo, iba talaga din ang fans ng Yamaha. At dahil dyan, nandito na ang motorsiklo na to. The Anniversary Edition or World GP 60th Anniversary ng Yamaha. So this comes with models such as R1, syempre, R7, and R3. Available din ang disenyo na to sa ibang motorsiklo such as Sniper at kung ano-ano pa. As Yamaha celebrates 60 years of racing excellence, we honor the legacy of those who have contributed to Yamaha's success and look forward to a future filled with excitement and innovation. Here's to the Yamaha 60th Anniversary Edition. Here's to Yamaha, where every race is a celebration of speed, technology, and relentless pursuit for greatness. And of course, excitement pagdating sa motorcycle racing. Sa impact na nagawa or na-contribute ng Yamaha, masasabi natin na ito ay out of extraordinary. Thank you for joining mga pards. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video natin today. Lagi natin tatandaan, pili ba sa kotse o sa motor, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.